2, 2, 3. Right, show that the pattern is increasing for all n element of natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers that start from 1. Okay, natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, they go on like that. Okay, these are natural numbers. Remember, whole numbers start from 0. Natural numbers start from 1. These are counting numbers. So when it's increasing, we know that the derivative, remember the derivative is the gradient. The derivative is the gradient. So it means the derivative will be greater than 0. The derivative will be positive. When the derivative is positive, it means the gradient is positive. Therefore, the function is increasing. Tn is equal to 6n squared minus 9n plus 6. So derivative of n there is 12n minus 9. Then this derivative should be greater than 0. Okay, all right, and then we solve for n. 12n minus 9 greater than 0. 12n greater than 9. Then n is greater than 9 over 12. Okay, meaning that n is greater than 3 over 4. Right, n is greater than what? 0.75. And remember, n can only be a natural number. So it means n will be from 1 onwards. The other thing we can do is to say that this is parabolic, isn't it? This is parabolic, and since a is positive, so it means it's concave up like this. All right, it is concave up like this, so it has a minimum value. Let's use the axis of symmetry. So we can use n is equal to negative b over 2a. Remember that from functions. So n is equal to negative 9 over 2 times 6. And then what do we get? We get that n is equal to 3 over 4, right? 0.75. So it means this will be n is equal to 0.75. But remember, n is the number of terms. It can only be a natural number. So it is increasing from where? It can only be increasing from 1 onwards. So when n is 1 or more, that's when the graph is increasing. But remember, n can never be a decimal. It can only be a natural number. So therefore, Tn is increasing for an element of what? Natural numbers.